Hey there guys, today I got a laminated padlock. It's going to be from Commando Lock. It's going to be the IChange or the IChange. It's going to be the padlock where you can change out the shackle. This is USA Commando Lock there on the bottom of the keyway. Use my Peterson Prybar to use top of the keyway tension to get this lock open here. Tension tool set up. Going to be using my Southward Pagoda hook pick. And go back to the keyway, start pushing up on the pins. Got it all set. Nothing on that pin. Okay. And there it is. Picked open. Yeah. And this lock can be difficult at times to pick open, other times it just snaps right open. Show you the feature of this lock maybe. Here's the key bitting. Look at the key bitting here. There's the key bitting, and try to show you the feature of this lock. Basically what you do is, if you need a longer shackle or to change the shackle, take your key, unlock the padlock. You want to put the shackle in this position here, and you rotate the key back around counterclockwise to this position here. As you can see, the shackle falls out. So if you need a longer shackle, take your longer shackle, stick it in, pull it out a little bit. Again, keep it in this position. Rotate the key back around, just like that. And close the lock. Pull the key out. And you have the longer shackle. And show that one more time to go back to the shorter shackle. Stick the key in. Open the lock, just like that. And then you rotate the key back around the other way. Shackle comes out. Stick your other shackle in, about like right there, till you can get the key to rotate back around the other way, just like that. And then you lock the lock up, pull the key out, and you're back to the short shackle. But anyway, there it is. Commando Lock, IChange or IChange, picked open, and the shackle changed out. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.